can use calloc function. Okay, another function is calloc. Calloc means contiguous memory allocation. Okay, it allocates multiple blocks or specified number of blocks of memory of specified type. Okay, it allocates, whereas in malloc it is allocating only a single block, but it allocates the specified number of blocks of memory of specified type. Okay, another thing is it initializes each block with the default 0 value. Initializes each block with a default 0 value. Okay. Let us take example for calloc. Suppose I want to allocate 5 blocks of integer type. Then I say int star calloc. Okay, and here we write 5 and the specified size we take with the size of operator of 8. Then this will allocate 5 blocks, continuous 5 blocks, each of 2 bytes. Okay, each of 2 bytes, and the starting address of this block is assigned to PTR. Okay, you can say 5 blocks of each 2 bytes is dynamically allocated by this function. Clear? Now if the your system does not have this much of memory, continuous memory available, then this function returns null. That means if we say PTR is equal to null, then unsuccessful memory allocation. Okay. Now third function is free. Suppose at runtime the use of PTR is no longer used, and that means PTR is no longer used in the next access of your program, then we can free this memory. Okay, as we know, the memory allocated with help of calloc and malloc does not automatically deallocated. Therefore, manually we have to deallocate when it is not required. For this, in C there is a function free, and here we write the pointer variable name which points to that memory block. Okay, suppose this is ptr, which is we have declared in upper section. Then I'll write simply free ptr. Then it will deallocate the memory which is pointed by ptr. Now here this ptr containing 5 elements. Then with the help of free ptr, it will deallocate this block, okay, which can further be reused by other variables of your program. Okay. Another problem we have discussed is if we declare the array of size 5 and at runtime we want to store more number of elements, we can't do in case of static memory allocation. But to overcome it, we can use dynamic memory allocation. For this, we use the alloc function. Okay, realloc is used for reallocation. Okay, which is used to dynamically change the size of memory location. Okay, suppose we say int star ptr I allocate memory for 5 elements to ptr. Okay, and later on I found that I want to store 10 elements in ptr. Then I can use the alloc function. Okay, the alloc function where I will pass the name of pointer variables whose memory size need to be changed and the size of new memory block, size of int. Now this pointer variable ptr is now pointing to a memory block of 10 elements instead of 5. Okay, thank you.